1.5 up to 2.5 without any real trouble whatsoever, and it's currently at 2.5 just now. So another nice max profitable trade outcome. Thank you very much. Done and dusted, eh? Done and dusted, guys. Max kicking some pretty good profits into the account today, guys. Big volume upside here at the moment. We have a one phase developing here at the present, guys. A one phase developing. It's always concerning when Max sells into a one phase because you're obviously having to just sit patiently, wait for the turn, wait for the liquidity, and then execute against that liquidity. So you're always just that little bit more patient when you're into a new one phase as opposed to, for example, selling into or buying into a two or a three phase. You just sit quietly waiting for the opportunity to strike. And there we go. Money's in the bank account, guys. So here was the next trade. And I'll show you the box. And as I said, this was a one phase for Max, so we were patient. So you can see what happened. Max sold into the one phase, so I was very patient with this. I didn't just start launching into the sell side attack. I waited until the price explored the high prints, and then we started to sell into the high prints. We started to sell into this phase here. And you can see we got a very easy money sell response away from those areas. And again, made the monies again on the sell-off. Same concept, but because the volume was against us on that occasion, you know, when you see that max, you might be encouraged to try and sell straight away, and you're like, wow, I just lost all my money on that trade. Well, because you were trading into a one phase, weren't you? So you've got to be cautious about that. You've always got to be cautious. You've got to make sure you demand that lean phase to get your trade on, right? So when the max then drives up, this is what max does with the order flow, is max waits for the order flow to flip and then takes the sell once the trigger's generated. So max doesn't just sell because there's a red line or a green line. Max waits for the tape to show that there's a sell coming in and then takes the sell behind it. So that's why you don't, you know, you might see this and you might say, well, that would have been a losing trade. Well, it wouldn't have, because there was only buying in that phase and there was never an opportunity to go short. So max never ever sold in the first phase of the move higher. When the volume dries up a little bit and it starts rolling over, now's the time to take the short trade away from that price. And that's exactly what happened just there. And we made another $175 on a 4 lot. So there's a very nice profit of $350 in two trades. And those two trades have only taken 5, 6, 7 minutes, haven't they? 5, 6, 7 minutes. And you know, we're not hanging around for these, are we? We're not trying to make billions of dollars here. We're just making $350 on a 4 lot. And it's a 4 lot. I get it. It's a 4 lot. You might not trade 4 lots. You might trade ones.